Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to this button from the left. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the pictures category. At the first place we have hold shutter button 2 option. When we tap on it, we can decide to take a picture, take burst shot or create GIF. Now let's stay on take burst shot. Let's go back to the camera. And now when we tap on the shutter a little bit longer, we can take a series of pictures. So let me show you. And as you can see, we have the countdown when we tap on this button a little bit longer, and we can take burst shots, so many pictures at the same time. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.